Okay, so now that you've reviewed the tools from last class and you've learned the crop tool and the eraser tool, you're going to use everything that you've learned to create something that's like this, like let's say Time Magazine, or just choose one. Okay, you can make a magazine cover, a YouTube thumbnail, a TikTok, a YouTube short thumbnail, or Instagram post, whatever. Just choose one. Okay, and then there are the crop dimensions right there. So for me, I'm just going to make an Instagram 1x1 post. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to click on here. I'm going to crop. I'm going to do a 1x1. I'm going to make sure that I can, crop. And I'm not going to, I'm going to put a check mark right here. Let's do a crop in, get closer, move them around a little bit. Oh, I'm cutting off her elbow. I don't want to do that. Okay, so maybe just move her over just a little bit, give them enough elbow space each, some headroom. All right, and then I'll select this and choose check mark right there. And then what I'm going to do now here is I'm going to slap a new background for them because I removed their background. I'm going to slap on a new background for them and give them a new background with a shape tool, rectangle, click and drag this over here, rearrange this to be down here instead because, again, priority. I'm going to turn this into a maroon color. Is this going to be perfect? No, I'm just giving you an idea of what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to put some text right here. So let's say, let's make the text smaller because that's way too big. Let's say, come watch girls basketball. Basketball on da 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 da. All right, I'm not gonna finish the whole thing. You get the point. Okay, so I'm gonna highlight this and I'm gonna make this into a different color. Let's say I'll go with gold. There, slap on that gold right there. Click this, rearrange my layers here. Okay, come watch girls basketball on whatever. I don't know. Okay, you get to be creative. This is the creative part where you use these tools that I've taught you. All right, last class, what did we learn? We learned how to use the I retaught layers. I explained spot healing brush tool and the patch tool, and I explained selection tool using the quick selection versus the object selection. And then today I explained more of how to refine your cutouts and stuff like that with the crop tool and the eraser tool. So you're going to use all these tools to be creative to make something that looks like this. All right, is it going to look like this? No, this was made by a professional. I want something that is basically simple and easy for me to know, oh, you learned all the tools I taught you, because look, you can cut the people out, so on and so forth. You can slap the background back on with the green right here if you want to. If you want the green instead, go ahead and slap on the green. Go with some poly colors right there and some, Wilson colors. So whatever, get creative, rearrange your layers and so on and so forth, so that way you are able to, do some artistic work here. All right. Best of luck. Have fun and enjoy the process of creating something that's artistic. Okay.